The new drag racing course has opened, and several exhilarating races have already been held there. Before each race, each driver is allowed to perform a burnout. During a burnout, drivers keep the vehicle still, but spin its wheels, causing the tires to heat up and smoke. This ritual heats the tires and lays rubber down at the start of the track, improving traction and hopefully giving the driver a better start to the race. The goal is to drive as fast as possible and cross the finish line. The fastest vehicles record speeds of over 325 miles per hour. Drag racers accelerate as soon as the green light turns on. They typically reach their peak speed in the last 60 feet of the course. The vehicle's speed is measured in this last leg of the race to show the maximum speed reached. Recently, however, some vehicles you've watched race have been losing speed toward the end of the race. Since this isn't supposed to happen, you want the engines on these vehicles checked. 3 vehicles in particular seem to experience issues at 2/3 of the way, 3/4 of the way, and 7/8 of the way to the finish line. You want to mark the trouble spots on the track to figure out exactly what's happening.